when we reached there, it was all covered with ice. It was about 14, 15 hours altogether. And that is the same day we had program. Same in the evening. It was I think next time we should see that the day I arrive, there should be no program, and the next day I can rest. आपको और भी किसी चीज के लिए याद किया था बहुत?
जी हाँ।
वो जो आपको केस बताई थी ना, आइए बता दें। वो लोग मद्रास पहुंच गए। अच्छा। वहाँ कुछ जमीन खरीदी और वहाँ ये लॉन्ड्रिंग का काम करने वाले हैं और सर्जो के नाम से। तो किसे आप वहाँ किसी को तो कहलवाई दीजिए और वैसे हम उनको होम मिनिस्ट्री में करा देंगे क्योंकि अब जानते हैं दूल्हे साहब जो है वहाँ, पर आप अगर कह दें तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा। उनका पता भी है और वो सब वहाँ आने वाले, उसमें से एक पाकिस्तानी।
किससे ले लूँ पता? किससे पता
मैं दूंगा आपको।
के पास फौरन वहाँ बता दीजिए क्योंकि वो आ गया 28 तारीख को आने वाला था रविंद्रा।
और जो सनी
और जो दूसरे ये हस्बैंड वाइफ है माया, उसका क्या नाम उसका?
जाफर, डॉक्टर जाफर है।
जाफर तो दूसरा वो सब वहीं आकर के रहने वाले, उन्होंने जमीन दे दी और वहाँ ये धंधा करने वाले। तो वैसे भी जयकर को भी इन्फॉर्म कर देते और आप भी कर दीजिए। हाँ, मतलब ये कि उन लोगों ने वाकई कुछ ऐसा कमाल किया कि उनका कुछ बन नहीं पाया। हाँ, वो भाग खड़े हुए। और दूसरा ये हुआ कि बड़ा उन्होंने मतलब वहाँ से फोन किए, अलगा को बताया कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट पता नहीं क्या है, हमको तो पहले इतना प्रॉमिस किया था और फिर क्या पता नहीं हो गया, ऐसे वैसे काफी कंप्लेंट।
मेरा एक अपने साथ पढ़ने का साथ के पढ़ा हुआ दोस्त वहाँ पर IAS में है, वहाँ पर सेक्रेटरी है तमिलनाडु। हाँ वहाँ मगर तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट मद्रास में।
तमिलनाडु में? वाह।
उसको मैं फोन कर देता हूँ।
उससे बता क्या नाम?
राजेश्वर सिंह है, हमारे कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं। उसको बता देता हूँ, वो उसको ठीक कर समझेंगे,
वो करा लेगा क्योंकि ये है गड़बड़ बिल्कुल। देखिए सहयोग के नाम से शुरू कर।
नहीं बस वो करा।
There are so many dangers now in Sahaja Yoga. Some of the Sahaja Yogis think that they are Mahayogis. They start talking big about it, very big. And so how are you? And some of them are so stupid, I don't know what to say. One fellow started saying, I am Adi Shakti, you see. So I said, all right, why not send some of my saris? I have too many of them. So it's some sort of a, I don't know, possession or maybe very idiotic. And they are educated. And they talk like this. Suddenly a new type of problems are starting. So I don't know. It's a kind of a ambition, I think. I mean, this gentleman, the one who said so, he is a PhD in economics. What do you say?
Economics,
I don't know what's happening to economics nowadays. It's quite a big problem. So there's a conference now in Copenhagen for all the prime ministers. They want to find out the solution for all the problems we have. Now, they don't reach the point. That's the thing, is they should know it's the transformation of human beings. You cannot have peace by talking, by having conferences and speeches, not that. Transformation is human. And this is the big problem. Nobody wants to see the point. All kinds of prime ministers are going to be there, having a nice conference. What do you? How to write a book. So they said that we'll use this book for Nobel Prize. I just don't know what it is. But somebody has to say, what's happening. Now, if you say that the Western culture is very licentious, permissive, very immoral and all that. But the other side is when you have this kind of a culture to oppose it, the fundamentalists, they are also equally immoral, they are suppressed. So like at the time of Hitler, same thing happened. Germany was full of what you can say, corruption, immorality, horrible, very decadent. So he caught hold of young people, started telling them, no, we must have a very moral life and very austere life. That is all. And then he made them fight. So they became enamored by that. But while doing all that, they were all suppressed. So the violence started. That's what is happening with Islam. One side they are getting destroyed because they are very indulgent. Second side is they are so suppressed. They are indulgent also, but also very violent. So how can you have peace? Only way is to have Sahaj culture. That's the only way you can really come up to something, is to have Sahaj culture. In Sahaj culture, you are neither oppressed, neither suppressed, nor you are licentious. You are in the center. Then why will you fight? But who is going to tell them who will bell the cat? I don't know. So I am writing this book, but CP said it's rather strong. I said, let it be, somebody has to tell them now. But in no way I have been strong, because I just get some anecdotes with that. So this is so this is very unique style of writing, which makes it very interesting. And also it will go into the heads of people. So this way or that way is just the same. I have to tell you once, austerity and all that doesn't happen. Once I was going from Riyadh to London, and the ladies came with their burqa and all that, and men came, see the way they dress up with their head gear and all. With their, क्या पहनते जो कपड़ा उसको? आदमी लोग?
पठानी सूट.
हाँ? Thoba. Thobe they call it. Huge thing from here to
the robe.
Huh?
The robe.
Pura robe, thobe kind of. And I went off to sleep. And when I got up, I saw very dandy looking people with shining faces, bow ties and all that. I said, now who are these people? Very fashionable. And the ladies were in 6-inch skirts, you see. I said, no, from where have they come? So I asked the air hostess, did we stop somewhere else? She said, no, we are directly right. And I said, how these people have come? She said, they are the same. I said, really? They are the same. Now, even before reaching London, they were prepared for it. आप मनीला पहुंच गए क्योंकि वहां से आए मनीला से कितने दूर है यहाँ से
2 घंटे की फ्लाइट
बस
जी
अरे बहुत
ये वापस आना
अब तो सर आएंगे तो वहाँ मुसलमानों का राज है
नहीं सुना बहुत कैथोलिक हैं सब
कैथोलिक लोग
बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेनिश ने रूल किया था तो वहाँ पर कैथोलिक हैं और बड़ी अजीब सी चीज़ है कि एक तरफ तो हाथ में वो अपने बाइबल लेकर पढ़ते रहते हैं और फिर फौरन बंद करके जो भी चाहें वो करने को उनका कोई छूट है सब कुछ कर सकते हैं तो पूरा एक अजीब सा समाज है वहाँ पर एक बिल्कुल ऐसे सब कुछ खुला छूट है एक तरफ और दूसरी तरफ सब लोग चर्च जाते हैं they are all going to the church regularly.
Culture यही है.
Culture is they could if all of them could go to America they would go tomorrow.
They will go.
They would go tomorrow. I mean the slogan वहाँ पे एक मजाक करते हैं लोग इधर the slogan of the Philippines people is Americans go back and take us with you. तो यहाँ का एक मजाक है और बिल्कुल उससे they completely dominated और हाँ अभी तक तो उनके अमेरिकन बेसिस थे वो खत्म हो गए हैं और बट कैथलिक्स हैं और वो कुछ अजीब तरह का प्रीस्ट
अभी वो वहाँ वो नहीं है इवेंजलिस्ट
अभी वो जॉन पॉल जो भी गए वहाँ पर
हाँ उनके बहुत आए
16 जनवरी को
जॉन पॉल what a man he is really
10 million people came for the mass on the 15th of January or the 15th of January he was there so it's very strong Catholic domination but in a very very bizarre sort of way because it's Catholic on the one side and then they have no morality, no values, nothing.
So kind of chopper. See, they can't marry again. They can have kids.
Yes, वो सब है.
You
are one a day kind of situation.
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल everything is
and there's a lot of Filipinos in Hong Kong. They come over here as domestic servants. All Filipino girls, they come over here, they work for families over here, bringing up the children in Hong Kong.
वहाँ सर्च चलेगा?
जी ना, अभी तो हम लोग 4 तो हो गए, वो आए हमारे साथ में
वो तो हिंदुस्तानी है।
श्रीलंका के श्रीलंका के
श्रीलंका के आप भी?
जी बैठी हैं।
अच्छा, आप भी श्रीलंका?
जी, हिंदी नहीं समझी। He's asking if you are from Sri Lanka.
Yes, we are.
Yes, and yes, and we are now.
We have one called Shivardhan.
Shivardhan is a girl in Uncle Anoma. Anoma who brought them, who first talked to them about Sri Lanka. He is in London,
अच्छा.
and she very good Sahaj, and she came to Manila and talked about it to them. And then when I reached there, we started meditating together. So now it's.
श्रीलंका में तो हो जाएगा पर ये कैथोलिक मैट तो.
ये होना पड़ेगा. आप आएंगे तो हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
और हम आप इंतजाम करेंगे तो अगले साल भी.
जरूर आएंगे. होता है. अगर आप क्रिश्चियंस हैं तो एक आँख. If one eye does anything wrong, to take that.
Yes.
One hand does wrong, cut your hand. I have not seen anybody without a hand or without eyes.
कोई भी ना बचे, सभी डूबे हुए.
सभी ऐसे हो जाए.
सब हो जाए, सिर्फ काले में डूबे हुए हैं वहाँ पे.
तो सब कहें हमने तो हाथ कटा देखा नहीं.
But in the Philippines,
This Pope himself is a horrid fellow. आपका जो पोफर्स का पैसा लाउंडर हुआ है वो पोप वो जो है ना बैंक ऑफ अम्ब्रोसिया हमको सारा मालूम है पर कोई उसे ध्यान नहीं देगा हम करें
कोई मानेगा नहीं
वो दबा दिया है
now need your blessing now need your blessing and we
अब कुछ इनका उनका बिगड़ गया मामला प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब का बेबी जी का
अच्छा
काफी रिश्तेदारी बिगड़ गई
अच्छा
होता ही है फॉल्सूट में यही फैल जाते झगड़े हो जाते
तो और भी ज़्यादा पानी
but somehow surge is spreading slowly. I mean, I'm surprised that in Philippines there's somebody
वहाँ खूब फैल जाएगा वहाँ खूब फैल जाएगा क्योंकि
लोग परेशान
यहाँ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ एडीबी में बहुत मुल्क के लोग हैं
अच्छा
सब ढूंढ रहे बस अब आपका आशीर्वाद रहेंगे
आपने कहा तो एकदम वाइब्रेशन
होगा
पर ये और चक्करबाजी ना हो कहीं की ये भी बड़ी मुश्किल है जापान में लास्ट टाइम those who came were all good shoppers so they got fed up with them. See such problems, this problem, that problem. But this time they got better people who had done 1 or 2 gurus is alright. But if you are a guru shopper, तो हो गया काम.
गुरु शॉपर
But they are seekers. These people who came are real seekers. Catholics वैसे ठीक है, but they get left fishing well.
Very bad. Very. Manila is very bad. Manila is very bad.
In Spain also there is very great influence of Catholicism, but Sajoga is working on. Portugal is something lost also, because most of the Portuguese have now gone to Brazil. But in Brazil we are doing very well. The mayor of Brasilia came to the airport and brought a key for me. And he said, Bharat, this is the key of Brasilia, so please bless Brasilia and give us peace.
Oh.
So nice day, I was so surprised. And then he came to program, he got his realization. But recently I saw there is one, I forget the name, one of these, क्या कहते हैं उसको? लोग अभी बता हाँ, evangelist. So आदमी का नाम याद. One evangelist and thousands stupidly are there, and they are supposed to pay 10% of their salaries, all of them. So now government has an objection to that. Somebody came from America, this evangelist. They are so funny. One day in Hawaii, we had finished the program and at 12 o'clock, I said, let's see what's coming in the news or something. What we find, evangelist, he had $100 note. He said, see, this if you give, then you get the real blessings. Then he gave the story. There were 5 of these. One lady had with her for her groceries, and she gave it to us. And can you imagine, the grocery arrived on her doorstep. They're so stupid, these Americans, they believe this. And let's say the groceries started pouring from the roof. And when we were sitting there, they were lost. Even if you mesmerize somebody, you cannot digest certain things, isn't it? Such blatant things they were talking. And they were Dumpy was there. Looking like this, you couldn't believe. I said, these are Americans, you know. Very stupid लोग हैं Americans, are very stupid.
बहुत भोले हैं सर.
हाँ?
बहुत भोले हैं.
भोले नहीं बेवकूफ.
बेवकूफ.
Stupid, idiotic. They take to all idiotic things. अभी वो आजकल आपका दीपक चोपड़ा is making all the money. They have also somehow or other managed, I think the British government, who are going to give them a land for starting a university. British की भी खोपड़ी खराब हो गई. University they have, and they give some sort of fake degrees. Nobody thinks much of it.
TM number 2.
Huh?
TM number 2.
ATM.
नंबर 2 एक उन्होंने बना ली जिनेवा स्विट्जरलैंड तो है ही.
स्विट्जरलैंड में है?
उनकी यूनिवर्सिटी है पहले
नहीं की.
महारिषि की.
अच्छा?
हाँ, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ क्रिएटिव इंटेलिजेंस क्या वाले करके एक फेक डिग्री देते हैं और वो दूसरी ये
वो कोई मानता नहीं लेकिन.
मैं कोई नहीं मानता. नोएडा में क्यों ना
To show humanity closer.
Very nice to go out this way. It was in there.
There's also the similar one to we did last year on the
हाँ.
Private.
ये एक 14 साल के लड़के गए थे.
बहुत
You done it?
Albert Albert did the translation for the poster. We had another graphic designer do it.
Same thing. You can't.
The same.
So it reads the same. You cannot know the meaning of your life until you are connected to the power that created you. Quote from
What
me.
is that?
You cannot know the meaning of your life until you are connected to the power that created you. That's your words, Shivaji.
Which one is created?
Created.
Which?
The word created. In China, which
You are connected with the one who
Connected.
connected.
Created.
Yeah, with the origin.
Created you.
Created you, is it? Origin of life is there, is it?
Yeah, the creator is not translated. The word creator is not
No,
translated.
that's
Yeah.
what.
But the origin of life.
Origin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to use. It's a descriptive language, isn't it? Yeah. The, that's the invitation. We printed also Chinese on the other side.
Ah. This is what is invitation.
Invitation, yeah.
And this one is.
This is the brochure that we'll be giving at the program in the evening.
Very well done. Chinese have a real sense of art. This means the center.
Yes. The central channel.
Central channel. Same in Japanese.
Yes, yes. Because they borrow our characters.
They cannot beat you.
They copy everything. That's the English one. So we kept the same theme running through both.
अच्छा फोटो देखिए एक 14 साल की लड़के ने लिया 6 फोटोग्राफ्स है वो रैम्ब्रांड कहते हैं
बिल्कुल
थोड़े से कलर्स में बनाया
कोई बनाया है
नहीं मतलब फोटो है
बिल्कुल
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Of course you can. Hong Kong has been transformed through the posters humanity. They're all over Hong Kong.
This is from Angelina.
I think this one was taken from Matthew Fogarty.
Fogarty का बेटा.
हाँ?
Fogarty साहब का बेटा है.
वो तो पता है मुझे.
उसे नहीं है.
This whole thing is done by you here.
Yes, we produced in Hong Kong.
I don't forget it, so तो पता है मुझे
But
लगता
the photos come from Matthew.
मैथ्यू ने एक फोटो भेजा है. इन्होंने बनाया.
बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन है डिजाइन बहुत खूबसूरत किया है
ये लोग
यहाँ पे ये करके
बहुत अच्छा
लंबी डिजाइन
हाथ इधर निकल रहा है उधर
ग्राफिक्स
These Chinese posters, the ones here,
very nice
they
very attractive.
stand out. So people, as soon as you put a poster up, people will come and look. They're very attractive.
very nice
So many people have rung and said we saw the poster.
I mean I will take one of both
Yeah.
because there are some Chinese speaking people there also
Very creative. And just see this lotus also done so well. Everything very well. Every time something new.
Albert is also
I know,
translated so much. He's really done a wonderful job in Catherine and all that.
Tremendous. I was telling him it's a very big find, Albert. Because first time when I came, nobody to speak Mandarin even. Such a problem.
Big problem.
Nobody to translate it. Mandarin. Then they said they said Cantonese they had. Somebody, but not Mandarin. They said no, you must know Cantonese, I think here.
Yeah.
You speak Cantonese.
Yes,
is
we
it?
speak Cantonese.
So the Mandarin, there was somebody with Mandarin, but no
So
Cantonese. A big problem. Cantonese eat lot of chilies. बहुत प्रॉब्लम।
Not Sahajogi man.
हाँ?
Not Sahajogi, we all given up almost.
Given up now?
Red chilli.
अब मिर्चा नहीं खाती?
बिल्कुल नहीं, पढ़ती
लो।
नहीं man. घर में नहीं. No,
मतलब छूट गया क्या मिर्चा?
बिल्कुल छूट नहीं man.
तो फिर करवा के बचा नहीं आता होगा फिर तो?
आता है.
हम तो खाते ही नहीं हैं मिर्चा, बिल्कुल भी।
यहाँ बनाया कर सकते हैं.
शुरू से बहुत कम, पर आप तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं खाते, बिल्कुल नहीं।
उन्होंने मुझे एडी में चीन का देश दिया है काम
हाँ?
करने, चीन पर काम करने को कहा.
चीन,
जी, तो आपने मैंने
चीन पे कुछ हो ही रहा है. चाइना is, you see what happened that I went with CP to China and this Leping, the one who is the Prime Minister, he got very much interested in me, asking me questions of spirituality, but I kept quiet because with CP I just don't say, yes, I said this, that. And they took a photograph of the group, you see, and he's also standing next to me. Now this photograph was enlarged by surgeons. I didn't know they all had it. So once this Leping, I think last year he went to Vienna. So the people from Vienna took that photograph and showed him. Ah, of course I remember her very much, where is she? Then he asked, how are you concerned? How do you have this photograph? So they said, she is our spiritual leader. We were quite surprised. He was very much surprised. I said, really? Then he said, of course, I asked her, but she never said anything to me. But I will send my cultural attaché to see her, because now I'm going on. So the cultural attaché came very anxious, very respectful. The Chinese are very respectful. Then he said, it's such an honor, mother, to see you and this. So I gave him realization. He said, is this the Kazanic
Treasure.
treasure? Is this the treasure of Indian spirituality that we used to know in China, that India has treasure of spirituality? Is this the same? I said, yes, this is the same. He was so impressed. Then he went to China, he talked to Leping and all that. But this old man is still there, you see. So he said, till he is there, it's rather difficult. But once he's finished, then we can do something also in China.
About to say. About.
Money नहीं है.
Well,
Yes.
Yesterday also he took out some sort of a communique.
हो ही जाएगा.
उससे जाके बात करेंगे. वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया आदमी. And I also told him, this gentleman, that our CNC, Mr. Dushian, he is coming to China. So I hope Leping will give him all the due respect and all the due consideration. Because we don't want to have any more wars with China. So he was telling me, our CNC was saying that I had a red carpet treatment and they looked after me so well and everything was done so well. So I felt that they are very active about it. I'll have to go and see him. Let us see. ये मर ही नहीं रहे, साल भर हो गया मर रहे. For 1 year he's dying, this then dies, then dies.
I think they have a stuffed doll.
If he's really dead or
But
not.
nobody knows. Nobody knows.
No one can say.
Because they keep showing the footage of him, in a wheelchair or, you can never tell. They could keep it a secret for years.
So yes.
But this is something surprising. One is in such a condition, till you step your, at least 1 foot in the grave, they don't want to resign. I mean, just...
1.5 lakh.
Huh?
1.5.
It's such a attachment. This time we had a very nice Shiv Puja, very nice puja, one of the best I should say. I spoke for 1 hour only on one subject, detachment. I said now next time I'll talk about other things, now detachment. It was very nice puja, very nice. As a result, the whole of Japan was frozen. तभी तो रहेंगे आप
जी हाँ
प्रोग्राम के लिए आए ना
जी हाँ
अभी चल रहा है सब जगह
हाँ?
त्योहार वगैरह आएंगे साथ में
चलेंगे?
जी हाँ
चलिए
एक ही एपिक की बात है
अब आए हम तो भूल लीजिए आप।
और क्या
यहाँ तो 6 तक तो हैं
हाँ?
यहाँ 6 तक तो हैं प्रोग्राम के लिए आए
अच्छा।
और 5 संडे तक है
आपको देख के बड़े बड़े खुश हो गए। एक तो मुझे इसका लगाव था ना ये जो कर रहे हैं मद्रास में बताइए सर के नाम से
नहीं
आपका दोस्ती है तो बड़ी
जय
फोन नंबर है बस
है इस बार मगर यहाँ नहीं है मनीला में तो वहाँ से जाके पूछना पड़ेगा वहाँ से कर दूँ
बड़े दुष्ट लोग
और जिनको पहले कहा था दिल्ली में
हाँ।
उनको फिर से फोन करते हैं और
उनको भी कहें
उनको भी दोनों को करना
फिर हम जयकर से ना कहें नो मीट
जरूर नहीं उनसे पहले कहा था दिल्ली में जो एनफोर्समेंट
सब चुपके चुपके काम किए
एनफोर्समेंट में जो है उनको मैं बता दूँ कि वो वहाँ पहुँच गया और अपना नाम
फाइनेंस में तो नथिंग लाइक इट आई मीन इट इज अबाउट फाइनेंस
जी ये हो जाएगा ना ये आइस में हो जाएगा
उनके पीछे लगना चाहिए पुलिस लगानी चाहिए पता करना चाहिए कहाँ जाते हैं किससे मिलते हैं पर यहाँ तो हो गए पकड़ में आ गए भाग गए
ऐसी बात नहीं वहाँ से हो जाएगा बिल्कुल हो जाएगा
उनको जाना था 18 को वो 13 को भाग गए
अच्छा और सुनिए आराम करें
अच्छा ठीक है
12 बजे आ रहे हैं।
गुड नाइट May God bless you. All good. ठीक है. Wow, very good, excellent. Let's see. I hope the hall will be sufficient.
We have a capacity of 2,000.
Wow.
Just to give our desire there, we have to desire for this.
I think it's more advertising that was really solely advertising. What they did in Sydney was nothing but advertising. That clicked.
We've done a lot of magazine advertising in the newspapers.
That's it.
Quite a lot.
It's a very big
A lot of posters.
force these days. Advertise.
We had a mailing list of 12,000 people we mail invitations to
Really?
in Hong Kong. So I think that's
That's
something
a
that
big
we
job.
have.
अभी कहाँ ठहरे आप लोग?
अरे आपका सड़क के पार एक होटल है तो राजा इंटीरियर होटल
अच्छा
उसमें ठहरने का
इसमें हम हमेशा भी नहीं चलते
बहुत खूबसूरत
और the first time when I came it was the first prize बहुत अच्छा है
बहुत खूबसूरत बहुत तो हम बस सामने पर अगर आप जाओगे तो कल
हम लोग दिन भर में कहीं नहीं जा रहे
जब मैं आमंत्रण
फोन कर लीजिएगा
आइए